Hello students, today we're going to look at taking a picture. There may be times that your teacher wants you to take a picture of something and turn it in Google Classroom. Here's how it would go. First of all, you would need to find the camera app on your iPad. So you're going to look for an app that looks like a camera. I do want to remind you that you can bring 2 fingers down from the top to search for an app too. So if you couldn't see it right away, you could actually start typing it in and then go to camera. Now, I'm going to pretend like I have 2 different assignments so you can see the difference. One of them is going to be that my teacher is asking that I take a picture of my workspace. So what I'm going to do, if you see on the right-hand side, I've got it all nice and steady, and on the right-hand side is a circle. I'm going to touch that and it's going to take a picture. Maybe I need to take a picture of my work. So in that case, what I want to do is I want to turn my camera so it matches the way my paper is, and then I'm going to carefully put so I can see the whole paper, and I want it to be as straight as possible, and I want it to be able to be readable. So I don't want to be like this, okay, or too close. I want to be able to see the whole paper. When it gets nice and focused in there, then I'm going to take a picture, right? So that's the first part, is taking the picture. The next part is, how do I get this so that my teacher can actually see it, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the home button and I'm going to go to Google Classroom and I'm going to find my class for my teacher and figure out where she assigned this particular task. So I can see on my iPad in Google Classroom, it says your workspace picture, right? So I'm going to tap that so that it opens up. Now, this is just a made-up assignment. Your teacher's assignment might look very different than this, but I just wanted to show you how you would do this, all right? So first of all, it says on there, it gives me some directions. It says, use your iPad to take a picture of where you do your work. Then it says, use the add or plus button to add your photo to this assignment. Now, if I look around, I don't really see that plus button yet, but if you look down here on the bottom, it says your work. If I touch down there, then it says I can add, so I see that plus sign. So I can press that, and then it says, what do I want to add? Well, look at this, pick photo. So I can pick a photo from there. I'm going to go to my all photos since it's right at the top. So the one I just took should be towards the bottom down here. Now I know that one of them is my workspace and one of them is that worksheet. So I'm going to click my workspace one because that's what I was supposed to turn in. So do you see that it's loading it up there, ready to roll? Okay, now it's going to show up on here. There it is. So once I'm done, I'm going to press the turn in button. And it says turn in your work. I'm going to press it again, turn in. And now this is going to my teacher. So my teacher can see my picture. It's almost like magic. Now, if for some reason I kind of goofed up and I wanted to put a different picture in there, I could do unsubmit again, and then I could take that picture out. Do you see that little X up there? I could get rid of it and try again because maybe I put the wrong picture in there. So that is how you add a picture to an assignment.